Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you have understood how to install VMware ESXi 6.5.0. Now in this video, I will show you how to install VMware ESXi 6.7. So let's start. So first of all, I will insert my ESXi 6.7 CD in the CD-ROM drive. Then I will start the machine. I have inserted my CD-ROM. Then it will prompt to press enter to start the ESXi 6.7 installer, standard installer. So it will automatically boot. So you can see that it's loading the ESXi installer. You can see that the installation screen is displayed. Now you can see that the screen, welcome to the VMware ESXi 6.7.0 installation. It is asking to press enter to continue, so we'll press enter. End user license agreement screen, so I am going to accept the license agreement. I pressed F11. Now it's scanning for available devices. Now in this screen I need to select the disk. As I have only one disk, that is also virtual disk of 80 GB in capacity, it's already selected. I need to press enter here to continue. I pressed enter, and then the next screen will be showing automatically US default keyboard layout will be selected. So now I will press enter to continue. Then next screen will ask to enter the root password. So I'll enter my password here. Then I need to press the down arrow key. Then I need to confirm the password. Passwords match. Press enter to continue. System is scanning. Now it is confirming the installation. I'm going to install the ESXi 6.7. I'll press F11 now to install. Now I can see the progress bar of installing ESXi 6.7.0. Let's wait for few moments. Yes, installation is completed now. I can see that ESXi 6.7.0 has been installed successfully, and as this is an evaluation version, this installation will last for 60 days. After that, this installation is going to expire. License is going to expire. So now the screen is asking me to remove the installation media before rebooting. So I am going to remove the CD drive, ESXi 6.7 installer CD drive. Then I am going to hit enter to reboot. I have removed my CD drive. Then I am going to press enter to boot. It's rebooting the server now. The server will shut down and reboot. This will take some time. So let's wait. Showing that loading VMware ESXi. I can already see that VMware ESXi 6.7.0 VM kernel release build number. Then I can see the VMware product, and I can see that the Intel processor version and the clock speed, and below that the 8 GB memory that we have for this machine. Now it's completely loaded. I can log into this ESXi server with the host name ESXi-1, or I can log into this machine with the IP address 192.168.1.101. I have already created the reservation from the DHCP server, and below that I can see that IPv6 address also, which is static IP address. So installation is completed. We have successfully installed the VMware ESXi version 6.7. I hope you have understood how to install the VMware ESXi 6.7 version now. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.